Hey guys, welcome everyone to the Jet Janix again. Today we are going to learn the formula of how to subtract values in Excel, okay? And it is very easy. Let's come to the data sheet, and again here we have different values. If you can see in our last video we have some practice on adding different values in Excel, okay? And today we will discuss how to subtract various values from each other, okay? So like always, type the equal sign here, and for example I'm interested in subtracting this value from this one, okay? So what I'm doing to do is I will select this cell, okay? The E4 has been selected. Now I have to press minus, okay? And I will select this value, which one I want to minus from this one, okay? So you can see here I select this one, and now I can just press enter. So you can see the difference is 193.05, okay? Now you can also do it like this. For example, sometime we want to calculate the difference of various values in Excel, for example, if you want, and like in that sense, let's assume we are interested in subtracting this value from this one, this value, oh, no, no, sorry, we are interested in subtracting, or yes, subtracting this value from this one, this value from this one, this value from this one, and to the end, okay? So how can we do it? It's very easy. You just type equal and then select this value minus this one, okay? And you press enter, okay? So you found the difference. Now if you want to do the same formula for all the series here in these two columns, you can just come here to the corner of this cell, okay? And now you just double click. You see, you found everything very easily. And here in each cell you can see the formula, the same formula has been applied to all these cells, okay? So this is the way how you can subtract different values from different cells, okay? I think it's very easy, and I hope you like it. So if you like our videos, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys.